Well, we had a good church service.
I can't do
Just
it
got out of
because my
church.
hands are sticking.
And now we're sitting here eating
not
at
do it.
Wendy's. So, with the kids and my wife.
Oh, I already watching videos.
So,
What about sliding this?
say hello. They're busy.
Let's do ice from my house and
Anyway.
Starbucks drive-thru.
Actually, I never saw that one.
Me neither. What can we use?
Then we'll go get a Frosty in a minute too.
Okay, let's do it.
So, anyway,
Oh, it's down.
we've had a blessed day today.
5 minutes turned a Starbucks.
When you got up today, you give all the praise and glory to the good Lord. Hallelujah. Look at this awesome, beautiful day. Look at that.
We got the ball.
We're going to Morgantown, Indiana next weekend.
Hallelujah.
Can't wait.
That's Chris Thomason's show.
Yep, we're going to go see him in concert
He's in
soon.
concert in Ohio.
Yep, we're going to go to Ohio.
Yeah. Oh, we're sorry are you using your phone?
You what?
But anyway,
Yeah,
like,
that's
share,
it.
and subscribe our
It's
videos.
not me.
Go to
Here, let
Family
me put this
Adventures.
on my plate. And you have yours on your plate.
It got mixed.
Thanks. God bless.